Hey, it's Kate and Toby with WTI. Now, if you're looking to groom your pet at home, this pet grooming vacuum from ExcegBot is going to be such a game changer for you. I absolutely love the difference this makes. It comes with a trimmer with several different lengths. I'm using the 6mm, and as you shave down your pet, the vacuum pulls in their hair. This means it's not going on your floor, and it also gives you a really even cut the whole way through. Toby clearly has very curly hair, and so this makes it so that it's easy to groom. It comes with a nice long hose, so it gives you lots of mobility. The canister is a generous size as well. This vacuum is nice and compact and portable. It has a handle. The hose wraps around, so it's nice and neat. And so does the cord. So really compact and easy to store. And then it also comes with a storage bag. You can see all of the attachments. So it also has a nozzle for vacuuming, one for brushing your pet's hair, all kinds of accessories. It comes in its own carrying bag, and you also get a handy little apron. So if you want to step up your pet grooming game, make it so much easier on yourself, I definitely think you need to get yourself this pet grooming vacuum, and that's my point of view.